Here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you have to open Contacts application, then tap here, go to its settings, then then you have to select if you want to import or you want to export contacts. So let's import contacts from my SIM card, for example. Then you have to select here you can see all of your contacts which you have on your SIM card. So let's, for example, copy only this one, and then then you have to select where you want to copy them, on device or on your email, and then just tap import. Yeah, let's remove these copies, and as you can see I have 3 contacts imported on my device from my SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.